What's up, guys? This is Terrence from LewisHelps. Check this out, guys. What if I told you that you guys can buy this property with credit, right? A lot of people aren't realizing that they have the access and the power, and they're in one of the best countries in the world where you can actually borrow money with a number, your credit score. Let me tell you guys a little bit more about that. So what I do is I specialize in helping individuals that come along and want to learn about real estate and investing in properties just like this, maybe not as bad, using their credit, right? And so the great thing about our country and the great thing about our credit system is that you may not know this, but you have access to credit, unsecured credit and secured credit through our banking systems, and you can use that credit to actually buy properties like this. I love investing in the Midwest because these price points are so low, you actually have the opportunity to afford them with credit cards, right? And so this is a great strategy that I like people to employ and that I help my partners start off in this business. So the way that my system works is I actually help individuals get access to credit first, and then we utilize that credit and we go on deals together. So it's a win-win situation for the both of us, which allows you guys to get into these projects, start investing, learning from a seasoned investor, and learn how to get into these projects and flip these houses without having to do them on your own, right? And so I wanted to share a couple tips about things that you need to know when kind of moving into the space of getting yourself prepared to use credit for buying real estate, right? So number one, you want to focus on increase, right? So if you have increase on your credit, you want to contact a credit specialist. You can definitely reach out to me. I have a team. So if you want to find out more information about removing increase, definitely tap in to the IG channel or definitely tap in, DM me. I'm here for that information, right? So you want to remove these inquiries off your credit. You want to learn about proper utilization on your credit. You want to maximize your score at the optimal position to where you can actually access these lines of credit. With that, we use certain companies to be able to track those fundings off of those cards, and voila, you're in your first real estate project. So if you want to find out more information about flipping properties with credit, you know where it's at. It's Terrence Lewis with LewisHelps. We'll see you on the other